Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do an everyday makeup look or makeup for school. I'm gonna have a primer. I don't have a primer, but I use a skin soother so that you can prime my face with it, and it's really good. I'm gonna add a lip balm to my lips so that it won't dry. I'm gonna add concealer under my eyes as they are so dark and I don't like that darkness to be shown. I actually don't have a foundation and I don't like the feeling of the foundation on my face, so I prefer using only concealer all over my face, especially under my eyes where obviously you put concealer on. But as you can see, I put dots on my jawline and at the side of my eyebrows. And then I grab a beauty blender and then blend it out. I try to get as much as possible all over my face, but not too much so it won't look so bright because this color is lighter than my face. But don't worry, I don't like my face to be super white, and you will see what I do for my face, for the color of my face to be the same color as my skin. Just blend that really well all over your face. Then I grab the setting powder. I put a blush, but it was broken. As you can see, it fell, and I use that as a bronzer because it's dark. And I grab a loose powder. I put it in an empty palette. Yeah, palette. I don't know. Anyway, I put loose powder in there and I put it under the bronzer so that will be more edgier and sharper. And I put it in the center of my forehead. Grab an empty mascara that has a little bit of mascara and I brush my eyebrows with it. And if you're wondering why am I using an empty mascara, because I am broke and I don't have much, not much, I don't even have money to buy expensive makeup, so I only use the cheap makeup and unbranded because I'm broke and I can't afford any expensive makeup, even though that I love them, but I'm trying to save money so that I can buy real makeup, not these ones. sorry if you hear some noises because there are some kids outside the house playing and they are annoying. Sorry about that. And then I grab the big brush that I have and then wipe and then dust the loose powder on my eyes and all over my face. This is a highlighter actually. It's darker than my skin, as you can see. You can't see it that much because it's dark. And then I grabbed the Minizer Sisters palette. Then I use the champagne shade and mix all of them, but I use most of the champagne color. And then you see that technique that I use. It's like a U technique. You can't see it that much because I'm using a natural light from the window, so that's why you can see half my face is bright and the other half is dark. I was trying to move to the darker side so that you can see the highlight much more. And then I grab that and I put it on my nose so that give it more of a glow. And then in my cupid's bow. I love highlight so much. It's everyone's favorite makeup step. It's really nice, glowy, so extra. And then I grabbed this little makeup palette. Grab that little kind of orangey brownish color and then I put it all over my lid. You could use this makeup for everyday makeup tutorial. Not tutorial, anyway. You could use it for school because it's not too much. It's natural and it's an everyday use. So this is a small angled brush. And I grabbed this dark brown. It looks black, but it's dark, it's brown. And then I grab that and do a small little wink. Just so small that makes your eyes look much sharper and beautiful. As I was saying, I don't have a camera and I was filming by my brother's phone. My phone can't film because it's so full and I don't have any space. So I use my brother's phone to film. So as you can see that it's not that great of a quality, but it's good for now. Maybe in the future I'd buy professional camera or at least a good camera with a good quality. And then I could buy some lights and everything. I did this and I did the other eye of camera and I grabbed that same highlight, champagne highlight, and put it in the corner of my eye. And I grabbed this flat big brush. I don't know what it's for, but I use it as on the brow bone and I highlight that place with the same highlighter. mirror and I hold it down so it could give me more view of my eye. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering about that Louis Vuitton bag on the door, that's fake. Because I can't afford having a Louis Vuitton bag, it's so expensive. Maybe you would say, how could she afford a Louis Vuitton bag and can't afford makeup? So that's the reason it's fake. I don't have anything original. Hello. As you can see, I tried to. I actually have a lazy eyelashes. No matter how much I try to make them look long, they won't. I did the other eye off camera, and then I'm gonna grab this this lipstick. It's from Avon, Color Trend. It was broken. I don't know who closed the lid when it was up. It's my favorite shade. It's glittery, shimmery. I mean, I use it in my cheeks as a blush. Grab a red lipstick. It's from the same brand, Avon, Color Trend. It's in a really beautiful red color, but I don't like putting red lipstick on, so I just grab that and just dab it on my lips so that they won't look too red, because I don't like putting too much red lipstick. But if it was an occasion or a wedding, I like putting bold lipstick like maroon. I like dark lipsticks. I don't like that. I don't like red and pink colors. They're just not my favorites. Well, especially pink. I hate pink. I don't like pink at all. And then I grabbed the same shimmery lipstick and I put it on top of that red lipstick, so it gives it more of a beautiful color, and then I dab it